Introducing the Ingersoll Rand IQCTT-1 torque tester, a revolutionary bench mount solution that will transform your torque testing and calibration processes. This state-of-the-art torque tester combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly features to meet the demands of modern assembly operations. With a versatile torque range of 0.1-1.0 Newton meters, the IQCTT-1 torque tester is the ideal tool for calibrating a wide array of low-torque assembly tools. Its compact bench mount design ensures space efficiency, allowing for seamless integration into your existing assembly setup. The IQCTT-1 torque tester is equipped with full statistical capabilities, providing comprehensive data analysis to help you make informed decisions about your assembly processes. Additionally, its ability to perform tightening trace analysis offers valuable insights into the tightening process, helping you identify and rectify potential issues. The tester can store up to 999 time-stamped readings, providing a historical record for easy reference and analysis. With its digital display and multiple unit options, the IQCTT-1 torque tester offers versatility and convenience. Invest in the Ingersoll Rand IQCTT-1 torque tester and elevate your torque testing and calibration processes to the next level. Its precision, versatility, and advanced features make it an essential tool for maintaining accurate and reliable torque measurements. Experience the ultimate in precision and efficiency for your assembly operations with the IQCTT-1 torque tester.